My name is Yukio Komuro, Application Engineer of Keysight Technologies Japan. Today, I would like to introduce the link segment test solution of Automotive Ethernet. This solution is based on the ENY series network analyzer and automated test software. This is a test setup of this solution. This is a customer's DUT, and the customer just connecting the network analyzer and the customer's DUT using the SMA cables. And customer have to be prepared the test fixture to convert automotive connector to SMA connectors. Let me show you the measurement. This is test items of a link segment test. Customer have to be measured impedance and mixed mode S parameters. And our software makes these all test items easily. This is a GUI of this software. Customer just pushing the measurement button. Then after, all test items are measured automatically. After measurement, all data is recorded. Therefore, customer can analyze this data easily later. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to know detailed information, please visit Keysight website.